quick reading for December the 5th to December the 6th, Earth signs. I think that you are laying down the cards, no? Meron tayong setting up boundaries, meron tayong ultimatum, no? Parang binibigyan natin ng expiration date. Kapag hindi mo ito naibigay sa akin ng ganitong time, I think I can call this quits, no? Parang napapagod na ako ng kakaantay, hindi ko gusto yung mga yung longevity, no? Yung time frame ng aking pag-iintay. It seems like I'm waiting in vain. And kung hindi ko to may experience, chances are I'm going to end the connection and our connection and this conversation. Probably I should move forward 2025 na, patapos na yung 2025, wala pa rin nangyayari. So I want a new experience and I deserve a new experience. So, nako yung mga karelasyon nitong earth signs, no? Better yet, mag-move na kayo. So this is your quick reading for December the 5th to December the 6th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.